Did you know that transportation accounts for 28% of the greenhouse gas emissions in both the US and Canada? Consider car sharing, with its convenience of having a vehicle where and when you need it without the huge cost of ownership. Vehicle sharing by companies like Uber and Lyft reduce the price and increase the accessibility of taxis. Also, companies like Car2Go and Zipcar allow you to pick up a car at a convenient location when you need it. If you need to own a vehicle, note that new vehicles are greener than older ones, as they have better mileage and contain more recycled materials. Which fuel is your vehicle chugging? Consider fuel-efficient vehicles, high miles per gallon, low-emission vehicles, including no-emission vehicles like electric vehicles and hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, and vehicles that run on renewable fuels, biodiesel, ethanol, CNG, etc. Are newer vehicles greener than older vehicles? Yes. A study by Weiss in 2000 reveals that fully 75% of a car's lifetime carbon emissions stem from the fuel it burns, not its production. A further 19% of that is production and transportation of the fuel, leaving just 6% for the car's manufacturer, Ingram 2014. Here are some stats from the US EPA. The average passenger vehicle emits about 404 grams of CO2 per mile. A typical passenger vehicle emits about 4.6 metric tons of carbon dioxide per year. This assumes the average gasoline vehicle on the road today has a fuel economy of about 22 miles per gallon and drives around 11,500 miles per year. Every gallon of gasoline burned creates about 8,887 grams of carbon dioxide. In addition to carbon dioxide, automobiles produce methane and nitrous oxide from the tailpipe and hydrofluorocarbon emissions from leaking air conditioners. The emissions of these gases are small in comparison to CO2. However, the impact of these emissions can be important because they have a higher global warming potential than CO2. Business can be greener and save money by car sharing or using vehicle-efficient vehicles, low-emission vehicles, no-emission vehicles, and vehicles that run on renewable fuels.